Next week will be fun as Harry becomes the first member of the royal family to give evidence in court in the UK since the 19th century. Oh, and in an American court too. In the US, June 6 will go down in legal history when the royal will appear in court, though not as a defendant, but as a witness. But the show will be vivid and, most importantly, public. A federal judge will hear an appeal by a conservative think tank over the disclosure of Prince Harry's immigration records in the US following revelations in his book that he had taken mushrooms, various drinks and pills. The buzz around the spare is now such in the US press that it reverberates across the ocean in Windsor. Neil Gardner of the Heritage Foundation wrote on Tuesday that his organization's hearing on the lawsuit will be heard on 6 June. Prince Harry's immigration records case will be heard in federal court in Washington, D.C., before a U.S. federal judge. He also announced that the proceedings would be open to the press. A past conviction can be grounds for refusing an application for a visa to the U.S. The Heritage Foundation is trying to find out if the revelations in the Duke of Sussex memoirs Spare were also documented in his visa application. Faced with the fact as a habitual liar, Prince Harry will be questioned by a lawyer who will actively seek the truth. And it won't be like a soft interview with Oprah or Tom Brady. It's all about the facts and the evidence to back it up. What's more, there will be an appeal to the High Court in London after the failure of the Prince's lawsuit. As the detective once hired by Harry himself, Gavin Burrows, denies any hacking of the Prince's computer and phone, we can wish good luck with that, Harry. And it would be good if the lawyers in the US and London could ask a couple of questions. One from me personally would be this. Did you have permission to print a personal text message from Catherine to your wife in a book that the whole world can read? And question number 2. Did you order palace staff to reveal personal information to Omid Scobie for a biography and then lie to cover it up? Well, one last important ethical question. Do you agree that revealing young girls' contacts and bullying a disabled educator in a book is considered a blatant breach of privacy? Interestingly, karma seems to be starting to take its toll on Prince.